Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. So the first thing you do is you come up to the back of the car, you lift the arm up away from the window, and you get your hand right about here. Make sure it's right at the end of the arm. You get a good grip on the blade, and then you pull and it'll click. You pull it to the left, it'll make a click, and it'll click out of the thing that holds it. And then what you do is you pull out the arm and pull the blade off. So this is the old blade. We'll put it up here and get rid of it. Next, what we have here is our replacement blade. We're going to be using a TRICO Exact Fit number 12E. So let's get this bad boy out and check it out. It's a little bit longer than the stock one. As you can see, I think the stock one is 11.5 inches and this one is 12, but it still works and it won't hit the top of the window. So to put it in, what you do is about the exact opposite. You lift up the arm and then you put the blade here and you make sure you line up that cross member or whatever you want to call it with the gap. You push up and then you grab it and then you just push to the right and it'll click and you're good to go. So I hope this helped you out if you wanted to know how to change the rear windshield wiper blade on a 2015 Chevy Sonic. A few tips are: make sure you don't grab the end of the blade because there's a chance you'll break it when you're trying to get it off. Make sure you get a good grip on it in the middle when you pull to the left to get it off, because sometimes they can be on there pretty tough. So in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.